Hello, everyone. Merry Christmas. Hope everyone's being safe and with their loved one today. And as you know, my name is Linda Hollingsworth, and today I want to come to you and talk to you about how we can move forward in 2021. As you know, I'm in the direct mailing program called the Impact Mailing. I'm in a lot of them called the Millionaire Mailers. There are different programs to be in, start your own business. So I want to talk to you about how you can get started in 2021 in the direct mailing program. As you know, direct mailing programs are programs that where you can start your own little business, where you can put flyers in an envelope and put a stamp on them. Also, you are able to do postcards in direct mailing, and you mail them out to leads. And when leads join you, you get money in the mailbox. That's how it works. And so I'm going to talk to people. If you're interested in doing home-based business, online and offline in 2021, I will put the link below how to get started, what you need to do, and how it works. So if you're interested in joining me in 2021 to make money from home without talking to anyone, just putting a flyer or a postcard in the mail and get paid to do that. It's easy, simple. Just stay consistent with it and mail. If anyone looking for an online job or you want to do on base home, off base home, don't be hesitating, because right now the COVID-19 took over the world, and right now we need to work from home to be safe, to be with our family, because we all know that this COVID-19 is not a joke to anyone. Do not take this as a joke. COVID-19 is serious. So if you're looking to work from home and want to invest a small amount, one-time fee, it's all you have to do, a one-time fee. Do it on your own, start your own little business. You can do this online, offline. You don't have to talk to anyone. Just mail, and put it in the flyer. Put a stamp on it, or put a post office card on it, and put it in the mailbox. I will put my link below to show you where to go for more information for you can view for yourself. And I hope this video will help anyone that's looking to start an online or offline business in 2021. Have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We'll talk to you soon. Linda Hollingsworth. Please like or subscribe to my channel. Merry Christmas.